Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 27 August 2023 and then the time is roughly around 7:30 and we talked about Nifty, Bank Nifty and other stocks based on chart, all that, and I don't want to go back to the chart and talk about all that because we are covering for the last 2 weeks the resistance and support level. You can go back and watch our last week video. The same is continuing, nothing more than that. And 5 weeks in a row, Nifty is in red candle and all that. But what we want to talk about is more on time analysis rather than on chart analysis. So chart we will there are many videos are available. So we'll talk about the time, which is more important than chart, according to me. Okay. So now coming week is lot of Astro events which is going to happen and which has happened in the last 2 days. Today and yesterday, which was on holiday also. The impact is going to come in the coming week, right from 28th, 29th, and even on September 1st. So let's talk about the two events which is going to happen, which is tomorrow and the day after. Saturn event is there, Mars event is there, Uranus event is there. So outer planet is doing a lot of wonder, and then Sun is also in place. So a lot of combinations are happening in Astro. So predominantly a big move, and that too when it combines with the monthly expiry, something big is going to happen this week. According to me, the move will start on 29th rather than on 28th. Whether it is going to be upside or the downside, the move is going to start on 29th rather than 28th. Okay, and till Nifty holds 19,234, which is nothing but the last month low, the bulls can have some hope. Below that level, expecting a minimum 200 points cut, and this is what we are telling from the last 1 week. Nothing is happening. It's not going below that 19,234. It is holding that level like a strong elephant. And in case if it breaks below 19,234, the next stop will be 19,044 to 19,022. So this is 200 points cut which I am expecting in case if the market close below 19,234. Till it holds that level, you don't need to worry about the market, but there is no buy confirmation yet. There is no buy confirmation yet. Okay, so now let's go and talk all that. As I already said, I am not going to chart today. So now let's talk about 1 second. Just a minute. Okay. So now the Astro events I have already mentioned here. Mars, certain opposition is happening, and again Uranus coming into picture. So all that is happening in the coming week till 29th. So 27th was holiday, so the impact will be on 28th. But according to me, even the impact will not be on 28th. The impact will be on 29th. Impact will be on 29th, which is also go with Nifty, Okay, so now based on the recent Astro event, the high was 19,584 and the low was 19,366. So till it is going to trade within this high and low, it is going to eat all our brains. And again same year. Okay, Ichimoku also is saying the same thing. So watch out for the Astro event which is going to happen tomorrow, day after. But according to me, 29th is very, very vital. Okay. So now coming to the numbers, the expiry, monthly expiry. Above this number is bullish, below this number is bearish. Till it trades within this level, it is going to be a premium meeting session. Okay, again for Bank Nifty, the numbers are given here. Bearish below this, bullish above this. Okay, so now coming to the timing for Bank Nifty and Nifty is here, and this 5 minutes is very, very crucial. And the sector to concentrate based on Astro are coal, infra, cement, leather shoe, gold, copper, and metals. So this is also combining with metals. This is also combining with metals. Yeah, even the yellow gold also, yellow metal also is combining. So watch out for metals. But only one thing is 21st and 22nd are very important date for metals, and it is trading below, so now we need to watch out whether on 29th the effect will be tomorrow, but according to me the effect will happen on 29th. So 29th we need to see whether it is making a bottom in metals, and then we will take a lead. And this is based on Saturn. So watch out for this. We are expecting a move in Coal India. So watch out for Coal India because many cycles are combining in Coal India. I will come to that little later. So many cycles are combining in Coal India. So watch out for that and mark this date. 14th September is a crucial date for all the indices across the globe. And there are 9 combination happening. 9 combination are happening on 14th September. So this is going to be a very crucial day for in the month of September. And again, for level 1, first is there, fourth is there. There are many, but this is going to be the mega day. Okay. So now, we have taken idea, and we clearly mentioned in the morning that if you don't have an idea to trade on 29th and 30th, then you will be crying. So, but yesterday it went up by 9% again, or actually it went up to 10%. So we are holding. We bought yesterday, but the action pack will start on 29th and 30th. Okay, but again, the high made was 8.85. So kindly go back and watch my video in my YouTube channel, which I covered, when I covered my idea. We clearly said above 8.85 to 9.05, which was the previous trend cycle, trend change cycle high. You need to be very careful. And this 8.85 is our long-term number. Sorry, this is our short-term number. So according to me, once it closes above 8.85, the stop will be at 19.6, and above 19.6 the target is 26. Okay, so we covered about idea in our video. I think it was out 10-15 days back, so kindly go back and watch that video, and we specifically mentioned this number 8.85. And again, the yesterday high is 8.85. So watch out, and closed at 8.70. So watch out for idea, and we have taken some position in it. Okay, and coming to numbers, all the numbers are bearish. So now this will act as a major resistance. Again, this is a convergence. So all the 4 numbers are coming within the 25 points radius. So this will act as a very strong resistance. Move above, possibility that it will go and touch this number. But if you want only one number to trade for this expiry, this one number is enough. Above this number, if it holds for 30 minutes, it will try to go and touch this number. Till it is below this number, you can have all these targets intact. But this is spot. You can go and see what's happening in the future. But there is no much difference between the future number and the spot number, and it is going to be a monthly expiry, and you don't see that kind of a when compared to Nifty spot and Nifty future. So break below 19,234 on a 30 minutes closing basis. The first number is 19,134. The second number is 19,044. And you can add one more number based on Ichimoku, which is nothing but 19,022. Okay. And then these are the targets will open. And any buy should be only about 19,375 on a 30 minutes closing basis. Okay. So now this one number knows everything about the monthly expiry. Okay. And again, coming to Bank Nifty, all the numbers are bearish, and this one number knows everything about the expiry, the monthly expiry, 44,301. In case if it closes above this 44,301, comes back and touches here, buy with the stop loss of 144 points. 144 points. Okay, so now again, these are all will act as a resistance. Move above this number, the next target is this number. Move above this number, the next target is this number. Again, coming to the downside target below 43,804, 814, all these targets will be activated, and this is a very crucial number to watch out for, 43,038. 43,038. So watch out for this number, and the buy initiation should be above this level, 44,566 on 30 minutes closing basis. But now something big is going to happen this week. Why? Because if you go to 28th, all the major companies, the Nifty based and Bank Nifty based companies, the large cap companies are coming into the yearly date. When we made the video on August 1st, we clearly said there are 69 companies are coming in yearly date, and last 2 days, which is 28, 29 and 30, see what all companies are coming: L&T, ACC, Ambuja, Asian Paints, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, M&M. So all the index heavyweights are coming into the trend change date, which is happening on 28th. And if you go down, and you will be seeing again Maruti, Reliance, Siemens, SBI. So one day, all the counters, all the major heavyweights are coming into trend change date. So simply no need to trade tomorrow. Mark the high and low of tomorrow, and whichever side it breaks, you can take a call. Nobody can trade all these stocks, because we are going to concentrate on IDFC. This is our pick actually. So we are going to concentrate on IDFC. And if you go to IDFC, I've already told that IDFC had a combination date here, and the high was 119 and the low was 116, and today it is quoting at 121. It is already above this number. First of all, it is bullish here. Then there are many combinations are happening. Again on tomorrow, it is coming into yearly date. And when you go to this one, 25th, which is on Friday, it had a 5 trend change date combination. And again on 29th, again it is having 5 combinations. So something miracle is going to happen in IDFC. So the high is 119 and the low is 116. You can keep a low of stop loss of 116, and you can take the trade and try to use your own system to be with the trend and to capture the trend. So coming to metals, metals had a trend change date on 22nd and 21st. Yeah. Okay. So it is trading below 21st and 22nd. So tomorrow again the Mars effect is happening. So most probably the effect will happen on 29th rather than 28. So we need to watch out for metal counters. And coming to 28th, which is the trend change date, and 28th, again you are having all these companies. My lookout is BEL. So watch out for BEL. And again Adani is having 2 trend combination, but I don't consider this, but I will consider on 29th, because again it is having this 5 combinations and 6 combination. Apart from that, all the Adani group stocks, the major ones, are coming into trend change date on 29th, and metals is also having a trend change date. Auto is having a trend change date. Coal India, what we talked about, is having a trend change date. In copper, which we talked about, the Saturn effort is having a trend change date. Idea mega date, and IDFC again, Intellect, Jindal Steel, NMDC, all that is coming into radar. So according to me, the fire day is 29th rather than 28th. Okay, so that's all. Nothing more to add in this video. If you go to mid cap, we are talking about mid cap. We said that try to offload, or try to take the profits from mid cap, because the very crucial date was 23rd August and the earlier date was 18th May, and where it gave a breakout. After that breakout, non-stop move, and we are not telling that to exit everything. We are telling only to exit the profit, encash the profit and take it out, because this is the support area. It will come and take the support here, which is 37,402 to 37,185. And how we captured this move. For example, if you go to monthly, when we said that Nifty, the major date was, we identified the bottom, that 17th June will be the bottom of Nifty as well as Dow Jones. The video is already available, you can go and check. We made on 14th June, saying that 17th market will make the bottom. And here if you see, this one gave a fake sell, which is a trap, which happened on March 20th. And from there it started moving up. And the entry was on a 1 hour candle. And if you go to 1 hour candle, so the buy came here around when the index was at 30,000. When the index was at 30,000, it gave a buy call, because we use all this to enter mutual funds. And from there the rally started. None of the candle is red, and again it went up. It gave a sell candle. None of the candle closed to below the sell candle low, so the trend is still intact. Again it went up. Again it gave a sell, but none of the candle closed to below the sell. So again this is a trap. At 34,800, and again it started moving up. Again it gave a sell. None of the candle closed to below the sell at 37,000. Again it's a trap. So from 30,000 to 38,000, there is no sell in mid cap. Around 8,000 points rally in 1 hour time frame. This is how you need to capture a trend and sit with a trend without any emotion, but predominantly we use this for a mutual fund entry. Okay, so now till it is not going to give a sell in 1 hour, confirmed sell in 1 hour closing basis, you can hold on. But once it gives the 1 hour sell in mid cap, kindly take out all the profit. Let the principal be there. Take the profits out. Okay, so this is coming to mid cap. When it comes to small cap, so again if you go back here, so the index gave a buy here around 9,009. The index gave a buy around 9,009. Okay, and it started moving up, because you need to combine with the time. Once the time combines, the move will be like this. Okay, so now again it went up. All the candles are green, and it gave a sell, but none of the candle closed to below the sell. So this is again a trap. Okay, so now again it moved up. Again it gave a trap candle, because none of the candle closed to below the sell candle. Again it moved up. So now it is 11,869. It went up to roughly around 12,043. So from 9,000 to 12,000, there is no sell even in 1 hour time frame. 3,000 points in small cap. And coming to 1 day, take the profit out. So we can watch whether what we are going to do here around 11,472 to 11,397. But according to me, the important date is already happened, and it is trading below, trading below that day's low. So try to book the profit. once you get a genuine sell in 1 hour time frame. Till that time, nothing to worry about it. You can hold on to mid caps, and many companies are doing extremely well, but keep the stop loss in place. Keep the stop loss in place, because very much needed at this point of time. Okay, so now we are holding a idea. We have taken some position in idea. Let's see how it is going to work out. And we are holding our Nifty short. There is no short in Bank Nifty. We are holding our Nifty short. Let's see how Nifty is going to do about it. And if you see, HDFC Bank is having a trend change date tomorrow. HDFC Bank is having a trend change date tomorrow. And if you go to HDFC Bank, one second, yeah. So if you go to HDFC Bank, the HDFC, okay, so I will hide all this. It will be a lot of things. Okay, so now HDFC Bank has given a sell, but one candle must close below the sell for the confirmation for the downtrend. So now what you can do, simply mark this candle, which is yesterday's candle, high and low. Simply, but once any candle closes above this candle high, buy with the stop loss of low of this candle. Because if it is not going below this candle, then it is a trap. Same thing we talked about in ITC, same thing we talked about in Asian Paints 2 weeks back, and from there it started moving up. So again, HDFC, kindly have a watch. And when it comes to Nifty, it is still at the exact support. So make or break is here with the combination of 3 Astro event. Let's watch what's going to happen in the coming week. Apart from that, it is mingling with the monthly expiry. So gala time, according to me, the gala time will start on 29th rather than tomorrow. But anyway, if it breaks, as a trend change date rule, we will mark the first 15 minutes high and low tomorrow. Whichever side it breaks, we will go with the trend. Whichever side it goes, we will go with the trend. And coming to Adani, if you go to 1 hour, in daily it is bullish. So if you go to 1 hour, it has given a sell in 1 hour, but none of the candle closed below the low of this candle. None of the candle closed below. So what you can do, mark this candle high and low, mark this candle high and low. If it breaks below, go short, stop loss high of this candle, or if it goes above this candle, buy with the stop loss of this candle. This is, according to us, it is a trap. It is a trap. Rather than Adani Enterprises, Adani Port is looking good to me because it has not given a sell. It has not given a sell. But we will try to enter Adani Port again, 1819.85. This is our number. We will wait for this number and then we will initiate the call based on, I am talking about 1 hour. Okay, coming to Ambuja, which is having a trend change rate also. Again, it is given a fake sell in 1 hour. So mark this high and low. Above this, buy, stop loss below, or go short here, stop loss above this candle. Simple. So you can use all that and keep a watch on Pizza. And because Pizza is having the trend change date, but it is broken and we went short also. Pizza is where? 1 second. Yeah, on 25th. And again Tata Power, please mark the 25th date high and low. Whichever side it breaks, kindly enter. You kindly enter. Okay, so our lookout is BEL, IDFC, Idea, obviously Adani. And as I already told you that 23rd was the very important date of Mercury. So the impact will be on telecommunication companies, okay, which are Jio and Bharati and Idea. Obviously Reliance. So mark the high and low of these counters on 23rd and take the bet. So according to us, idea about 23rd itself, because it was 4 days before itself, it came into our radar based on the trend change date. So we took the position in idea. Okay. We don't know whether it's going to close above 9.15 or 8.15 rather, 8.85 rather. In case if it happens, let's see whether 19.6 is on the cards. And again, when we gave a buy recommendation on Suzlon at 10 rupees, we said, the first target is double, which is 20, and anything about 20. If it holds 16, the next target is 33. All this we mentioned 3 months before itself. So kindly go and check in your Telegram channel or check in the videos which we mentioned. So let's see, tomorrow I'm going to come out with again the weekly numbers, bullish number and bearish number for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and in case if there is any timing. And coming to Nifty rather than Bank Nifty is first 15 minutes high and low. We'll do the needful, and the eventful day according to me it is 29th, and obviously it is Fin Nifty expiry. Let's see whether can we able to find any 0-0 call to trade tomorrow to take the position for Tuesday. Until then, good night.